Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about local storage in JavaScript. You will learn what it is, how to use it, and what advantages it provides. Let's get started. Local storage allows you to store data directly in the browser. It works with key-value pairs and allows you to persist data event after the page is reloaded. Let's look at the basic methods. Like you see, we have four the most popular methods. First method names set item, and this method will help us to saving our data. Next method names get item, and this method retrieving our data. And also we have method to remove our data, it names remove item, and also we can use in clear method, this method clearing all our data. Okay, and now let's create a few examples. First we'll save and retrieve simple data, and then we'll work with more complex data structures. Let's try to save a string inside our local store. We need using global object local store and method set item. And now we need to create key and our value. Let's create user name and create some name like John Doe. Okay, and now let's open our browser and reload in our page. Like you see, we get new element inside our local store with key username and value John Doe. And next step, let's try to create object. Create new object user and add two properties, name John and age 30. And now to save this object inside our local store, we need to convert our object to JSON format. Again, using local store set item, and now create new key user, and now we need using global object JSON and method stringify. This method convert our object to JSON format. Add our object inside, and let's look at the window. Like you see, we have two elements inside our local store, and now you can ask, how do I can get object data? It's very simple. Let's print our object using console log, and again using local storage, and now we need method get item. This method take only one argument, key our element will be get object with our user, and we can write user. Okay, and let's look at the window. Here's our object, and to work with this object we need to use a method JSON parse. This method will convert our JSON to JavaScript object. Okay, now let's implement a practical example with user setting. For instance, a user can choose between a light or dark theme for the website, and we'll save that choice. Create new function. We can comment this code, and let's create new function. Name this function set theme. Okay, and this function will be take one argument, our theme. Okay, and now we'll be again using local storage set item. We can copy this code and pass here, but now we don't need username. Our key will be team. And also change our value. We'll be using our argument. And also we need to add our theme for our body using our document, body and method class name and property class name assign our theme. Okay, our function is ready, and also we need to get our theme all time when user will be open our page. Create new variable. We can call this variable saved theme, and now we'll be again using local store get item and also change k, because now we don't need user. Okay, and we need to check if we have saved theme. We need to add this theme for our body. Okay, and let's look at the window. Like you see, we didn't get new element because we need to call our function and add default value. Add else. If our user don't have any saved theme, we can add dark. Call our function with value dark. Let's open the window, and like you see, here's our theme. And also we got new class for our body. Let's try to reload this page, and like you see, all time when I reload our page, our theme stayed the same. And now let's create simple button. This button will be switch our theme. Create new button, add text inside like switch theme, and also create ID. We can write btn. Okay, and now let's create. We need using document query selector and add ID our button, and now we can create event using add event listener. It will be click, and all time when user will be click on this button, we need to change our theme. Create condition. If our theme equal dark, will be add white. But if our theme won't be dark, will be add dark. Correct this word, and let's look at the window. Here's our button. Like you see, now we have dark theme. Let's try to click, and like you see, we got mistake because I checked theme, but we need to check save theme. Let's try again, reloading our page, and click on the button. Like you see, now it works and we get white. Let's try to reload our page, and our theme stayed the same. Okay, I think it's enough, but if you want more detailed tutorial about local store, light and dark theme, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. And today you know how to work with local store in JavaScript. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video.